Catholic Education Board of the Mangalore Diocese organized Teachers' Day celebrations at Shantikiran Auditorium on Thursday, September 4th morning. Ramchandra Gowda, SSLC Exams Nodal Officer, speaking on the occasion, said that we need more teachers to respond to the needs of the students in order to inspire them to take interest in other spheres, since majority of school passouts are aspiring to join IT and BPO sectors.
ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಅಳಿವು ಉಳಿವಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವು ಕೂಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು, ಭಾರತದ ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗುವಂತೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಹಳ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ವೇತನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಈಗ ವೇತನ ಮತ್ತು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಉತ್ತಮದನ್ನು ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದರೂ ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಹಳ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Ramchandra Gowda and Moses Jaikar honored the talented students who secured highest marks along with their respective teachers and authorities.
ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಈ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹದ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಾವುಗಳು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Father Henry Sikwera, Chancellor of Mangalore Diocese, felicitated the retired teachers on the occasion. Father Wilson V. D'Souza, Board Secretary, honored the District Excellent Teacher Award winners. The students of Padua Pre-University College rendered the prayers. The students of St. Lawrence School, Bondal, staged welcome dance, while the students of Kulur High School presented the wishing song. Nagaraj Shetty compared the program. For the Alvin Seravo, principal of the Rosario Pre-University College, proposed vote of thanks. The students of St. Ligari Primary School near Marga and Morning Star School Bachpe staged folk dance as part of the entertainment program.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Many alternative methods have been introduced in the field of teaching and learning with the fast-changing technology nowadays. Hence, the teachers and also the students have to adopt to new technologies that are better and more productive instead of clinging on to the traditional textbook system, advised Dr. Sandeep Sancheti, Director of National Institute of Technology, Surathkal. Speaking at the inaugural function of the first year BE courses at St. Joseph Engineering College, Vamanjur, on Thursday, September 4th, he said that the role of the teacher in a technical institution necessarily involves kindling of interest in the students by involving them in process of learning. But self-learning is needed throughout their lives. Therefore, a person should always strive to be a good learner, he added.
Preparing for an engineering admission can be very demanding, but in the end, most satisfying too. You might have faced many hurdles preparing for your examinations. Many a times you might have failed and got dejected, but every time all of you came with new ideas, new energy, and resolved to make it work, and finally you have succeeded in doing what you wanted to do, that is seeking admission in a very high-class institute. My congratulations once again to all of you. Some of you might have tried or targeted to get an entry into maybe IITs, maybe NITs, maybe something else which you probably liked or which you saw at certain value. But believe me, that today, when it comes to undergraduate level, there is hardly any difference. The differences between the institutes are very minimal. If at all there is some difference between us and IIT, us and you, or some other kind of differences, they generally go into the research domain. Because your institute, your college is new, the research forays are relatively new, and therefore they are taking a shape here. However, when it comes to UG education, undergraduate education, I find there is very minimal difference which happens between us, you, and probably IITs also, because the focuses nowadays are a little different.
Academician Dr. M. Thirumalesh and Baptist Managers, Episcopal Vicar of Udupi, were the chief guests on the occasion. Dr. Joseph Gonsalves, Principal of the College, Father Henry Mascarenhas, Assistant Director of the College, Program Coordinator Rogers PC, Professor Eric Patravo, Dean of Planning and Development, Dr. Prakash Pinto, Dean of MBA, Professor Jayaprakash Hegde, Dean of Academics, and others were present on the days. Father Valerian D'Souza, Director of the College, welcomed the gathering. Professor Ria D'Souza, Head of the Department of Computer Science, delivered the introductory talk on the campus.